Welcome to this tutorial on Load Balancer Service in Kubernetes. Load Balancer is a powerful service type that enables cloud provider integration for external access to your applications. Throughout this video, you'll learn how Load Balancer services work, how they integrate with cloud platforms, and when to use them in your Kubernetes deployments. A Load Balancer service is a Kubernetes service type that provisions an external load balancer from your cloud provider to expose applications to the internet. It extends the functionality of NodePort by adding cloud integration capabilities. When you create a load balancer service, Kubernetes automatically provisions cloud load balancer resources and provides a stable external IP address that clients can use to access your application from outside the cluster. Let's understand the workflow of a load balancer service. First, you create a service with type load balancer in your manifest. Second, the Cloud Controller Manager detects this and provisions an external load balancer in your cloud provider's infrastructure. Third, an external IP address is assigned to the load balancer, and traffic is routed to node ports on your cluster nodes. Finally, the load balancer distributes incoming traffic across all healthy nodes in your cluster, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. Here's a basic load balancer service manifest. You start with API version v1 and kind service. In the metadata, you specify a name for your service. In the spec section, you set type to load balancer, which is the key attribute. The selector matches pods with the label app equals web. Finally, you define the ports where port 80 is the load balancer port, and target port 8080 is the port on your pods where traffic will be forwarded. Load balancer services integrate seamlessly with major cloud providers. On Amazon Web Services, they provision elastic load balancers or network load balancers. Google Cloud uses cloud load balancing. Microsoft Azure provides Azure Load Balancer. DigitalOcean has its own DigitalOcean Load Balancer service. It's important to note that this functionality requires the Cloud Controller Manager to be properly configured for your specific cloud provider to enable automatic load balancer provisioning. External IP provisioning is a critical aspect of load balancer services. When you create a load balancer service, the cloud provider automatically allocates a public IP address. The service initially enters a pending state while the load balancer is being provisioned. Once provisioning completes, an external IP address is assigned and becomes visible in the service status. Users then connect to this external IP address, and traffic is routed through the cloud load balancer to your cluster nodes, providing a seamless access pattern. Load balancer services include built-in health checking and traffic routing capabilities. For health checks, the load balancer monitors node health automatically, removes unhealthy nodes from the rotation, and uses readiness probe configurations from your pods to determine health status. For traffic distribution, the load balancer distributes requests across all healthy nodes, supports session affinity to route users to the same backend, and uses load balancing algorithms that vary by cloud provider to optimize traffic flow. Let's review the benefits and limitations of load balancer services. The benefits include simple external access setup with minimal configuration, automatic load balancer lifecycle management by the cloud provider, and native cloud integration that leverages provider-specific features. However, there are limitations to consider. Load balancer services require a cloud environment and won't work in on-premises clusters without additional tools. They incur additional costs from your cloud provider for the load balancer resources. Additionally, each service gets its own IP address, which can become expensive when running many services.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.